Hey, it's Priscilla, your real estate broker in GTA. Before Best Buy of this week, I want to quickly share with you some of the key points from most recent Toronto real estate market report in March. If you watched my February report, you'll probably remember the average sold price across whole GTA for all different property types hit the historical record of 1.05 million. So what do you think about March? Did we continue the growth? If you answered yes, then congratulations, you are right. Actually, in March, we hit the new record. Now, the average sold price for all property types arrived at 1.1 million. Not only it has 5% increase versus February, comparing with last year March, we have almost 22% increase. And don't forget, last March was already a peak. The lockdown only impacted the market data and started to drop in April. March was the highest in the first half year. In terms of market activeness, the transaction volume also doubled last March. Last March, we only had 8,000 transactions in the past March, and a month ago, we had almost 16,000. So you can see both sold price and the transaction volume is extremely hot. All right, let's get back to our Best Buy of the week. So this week, I want to introduce you one Freehold Semi-Detached in Vaughan. So Vaughan is at the same latitude of south of Richmond Hill and Markham. It is at the west side of the York region. But comparing with Markham and Richmond Hill, the city is relatively newer. So a lot of times the property age is shorter than the counterparts in its east side. And the building itself for the same price is also bigger. I would also say the affordability of property in Vaughan is also more favorable than Richmond Hill and Markham. All right, let's take a look at the location of this property. We are at the north part of Vaughan. This neighborhood is called Maple. So it's very close to Highway 400. And if you drive one block to 400 and go down south, then 401, 427, in 40 minutes time, you'll come to downtown Toronto. And if you drive down south 2-3 blocks, you will come to VMC, Vaughan Metropolitan Centre. You have all those shopping malls, grocery stores, boutique retails, gourmet restaurants, same as the transportation hub. And if you have a young family, you're also just half block away from Canada's Wonderland. If it's not because of COVID, you can go bring your kids in the park as often as you wish. All right, let's take a look at the property itself. This property is only calling for 948,000, as I explained in previous video, due to limited exposure in exclusive channel. A lot of times you don't need to bid. Whatever you see is whatever you can get. At least this price is very close to what the seller is willing to sell for. All right, you can see the property outside. It's actually quite well kept. Inside of the property, although we can see the floor is pretty much remain what is given by the developer, I consider the wall and the windows recently upgraded. So this is the formal dining room. And this is the connection between dining room, breakfast area, and the kitchen. The stairs to bedroom, and this is the bedroom. So I wouldn't say it's luxury. However, it's nicely well kept. And it has 3 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. So I would say such a volume for any young family, a young couple with 1 or 2 kids is more than sufficient. So if you are interested in this property, please feel free to talk to me. And if you have any recent purchase plan, I can cater the property search for you. So every day you will receive fit properties, including these very valuable exclusive listings. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.